Hi guys, in this final and fourth part of the how to build the NFT Marketplace application video series, I'll show you putting the final touches for the project and giving a live demo of the project we have. So this, as you see here, is the project, the final version of the project. So this application was built with Next.js, Polygon, Hardhat, and TailwindCSS, along with Solidity. This application allows us to buy, sell, and list NFTs, and it connects to the Polygon network and uses Matic as its currency. So in part 4, we're just going to briefly go over how to set up the application or run the application. So first we have to cd into Next.js dash frontend into the folder where we built our front-end application from last video in part 3. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure to check it out so you can know how to build the front-end application. When you're in that directory, just run npm run dev and that'll start up this server. Then when you navigate to localhost 3000, you'll see, well, initially you'll see an empty page because you'll have to create NFTs by going to sell NFT. I have this pre-populated, so it displays some NFTs I have added. So demoing the filtering feature, so anything with animals will be shown. If there's no anything, then nothing will be shown. Electronics, we have music, and we have art, and then if we go to all, we have all. So now I'll demonstrate adding a item. So let's add a Mac G3. So an iMac G3. This is a quite old computer, Macintosh computer. And the most important part is the image. So once we upload this image, it displays here. I know it's blurry, but bear with me here. So now it opens up the modal, the Web3 modal. We click confirm to confirm this transaction. It takes a while. So yeah, this can take up to 20 to 25 to even 30 seconds because it's quite a extensive process. And we are able to, and we are redirected to the home page where we can see our iMac NFT displayed in the electronics category. So now we can demonstrate the buy feature. So if we click buy, let's wait for this to enable. So we click confirm transaction. Again, this is going to take about 20 seconds. I should add a loading spinner to indicate that it's loading. Maybe I'll do it in the future. And now, yeah, so it's confirmed, and as you see, it disappears from here. And now if we go to sell or my assets, you can see this computer image, this NFT has been added to my assets because now I currently own it. And if you're wondering why they all have the same price, it's because the way I coded my application, I made it so that the price had to be this exact amount for many reasons, including the fact that I want to conserve my Matic amount. But you can easily change this if you want to. Yeah, so if you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments below. Well, that's it for my video series. Congrats if you managed to follow along and build an NFT application. Hopefully this video series was helpful and instructive, so if you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.